basically what this plugin does is you can create a radius of protection around your house or building or whatever you've built in Minecraft that nobody else except for people who have the correct permissions can build in. And I've added economy support and sign protection and all sorts of stuff. So rather than just talk to you guys about it, now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so I'm in a little Minecraft server I have, and here's my little house. So to keep people from, destroying blocks and messing with me, I'm gonna go in here. No longer AFK. I'm going to go stand in the middle or whatever, and I'm gonna do /protect. Then I'm gonna do the radius, but you don't just type that. You type the actual radius. So like my house is probably like, I don't know. It's not very big, so I'm gonna do a radius of about 6. That should cover everything. And then I have to name it something. Now it has to be a unique name on the server. That's just part of it. It has to be unique. So I can just make it Thrillman16 house. Okay? And so I have been charged 6 credit from my economy because it was 6 block radius. And it tells me I've created a radius of protection called blah blah blah, and then it tells me my new balance. Okay, and so basically now, yeah, I have this little enter message you can see, and so my house is protected, and if you can see that it'll tell you when you leave and enter the region. So I barely got it right here. It's barely even in there. It seems to have gotten everything. Yeah. Okay, so it got my whole house, just barely. And so now what I can do is I can still build in here because I have the right permission. And but anybody on the server who isn't either an op or has the RadiusPro dot, I think it's admin or bill or something. I don't know. I'm adding a bunch of new ones, but they basically can't build. So if I de-op myself, okay, I'm no longer op. Now I can't build. It says you cannot build /destroy here. So it's pretty useful on the servers, like say for spawn points or anything really. I haven't added door protection or chest protection yet. That's coming up in the next update, as well as a few other things like I'm thinking about adding square regions, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of having a RadiusPro plugin. But people really like the square region kind of stuff, and I kind of have to do what you guys want. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of like World Guard, except that it's not gonna be like 3-dimensional. It's gonna be 2-dimensional. So like no matter what height the block is, it's gonna protect all the blocks all the way to the sky and all the way to bedrock. Because I don't think anybody else really cares about the whole cuboid thing. It's kind of annoying, actually. And that too will be, it'll be economy supported and everything. And so, also, some things you can do is, if you have the right permission, you can do protect list to see what all the different regions are. So like Thrillman16 house is my only region I have. And so I'm gonna go create another region just for demonstration. So like right here, protect 5 new house. Okay, so it charged me some more credit and it created new house. And now what you can do is, I believe, yeah, you can do /region warp and then the name of the house, or like the name, not the name of the house, the name of the region. So like if I do new house, okay, never mind, never mind. This is not the development build. I forgot about that. So ignore that. You just heard part of the new update. Okay, spoiler alert. Okay. Anyways, so let's just do protect help so you can see what all you can do. So like I can do protect sign, and it'll show me how to create a sign protection. So how this works is you make a sign, you do RadiusPro, then you do the name of the region, so like thrill man, and then like a radius, it's like 10, and it says you've been charged 10 credit, all that stuff, and I've entered the region thrill man. So now it's a 10 block radius region, and only ops or people with the right permission can build there. And so that's the main focus of the plugin. It's obviously protection. And with the economy, how it works is when you remove, like to remove a region, you can either do, here, I'll go over here. You can do /protect remove, and then so I'm going to remove the first one I made, so thrill man 16 house, and it doesn't have to be the correct capitalization. And it'll say I've removed it, and it'll give you back however much percent of the radius that was configured by the server owner. So like right now it's set at 50%, but I could do 100%, 75%, whatever you're feeling like, But yeah. And so what else you can do, if it's a sign region, you can just simply break the sign if you have the right permissions, and it'll also give you your money back, or a portion of the money. And then, hold on just a second. Okay, and so also, if you just do, like if you made a sign protection region, if you do the command to remove the sign protection region, then it'll still delete the sign after you like do the command. See, it actually, oops, sorry, it gets rid of that sign, and it refunds you your credit, obviously. But yeah. So I mean, this is a very lightweight plugin. I mean, the only data file it has is a text file. There's not like a whole bunch of folders, and it doesn't use MySQL databases, because those are kind of difficult to handle with. So, yeah. Please download and subscribe to my channel. And that's about it. Stay tuned for newer updates and some new plugins. Alright.